Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? This is Easy Pictures to Draw. Hopefully you're having a great day. Today we're going to over how to draw Shazam Bolt. So let me draw your attention and we're going to get started. I'm going to start very, very simple, by the way. Extremely simple. So Shazam is the superhero from DC. It's originally, he was Captain Marvel, but I guess Marvel took that name for their character, so he's just going to be called Shazam in the movie. So Shazam has a very distinct bolt shape, and we're gonna draw that like real simple. So straight line across. You can grab anything, by the way. You can grab a marker. I'm using this, a PITT Faber-Castell Artist pen, big brush. I like it because it doesn't smell. It doesn't have that toxic-y smell that Sharpies have, and it's like 5 or 6 times bigger than a Sharpie, so it lasts way longer. I think it's like $6 at Michael's, but you can also buy it on the internet. I'll put a link in the description if you do want to buy the exact same marker. This is pretty much mostly what I use now. I only use this, and I use this Crayola brand. This doesn't last very long, though, but, I mean, this is my first choice, and if I have to, this is like the bare minimum choice. But I'm going to draw a straight line across. Down to the left here. Down to the left, ladder shape. Pull back. Back. So imagine a straight line across. These line up. So that's kind of the big difference between this bolt and a lot of other bolts. Pull straight down again. Another ladder shape. Straight down. Also, they line up. If you were to draw a straight line, it would line up across. And then now, down. And this, you're gonna meet these right here. So it's essentially these 3 chambers. But that's it. Extremely easy, extremely short video. But that's the Shazam bolt as opposed to a regular lightning bolt from different, sources, different, designs. That's that design. Thank you so much. Tell me what you thought about the Shazam movie. I haven't. This video comes a little bit after that. But I did watch the movie and I enjoyed it. It's kind of a kid's movie, but please tell me what you thought about that movie. I'm really curious. I kind of been away a little bit and I wanted to vaguely get your guys' opinions because there's a lot of regulars that comment. So I'm really wondering what you guys thought of it. It's a few weeks afterward. That's it. I'm going to draw the line here. I mean, if you want anything like source-wise, there is a free ebook on how to draw cute stuff. It used to be a product. Or, I mean, I was going to make it a product, but I made it free instead, completely free. I'm going to put that in the description if you want to cutify anything. Thank you for the great feedback. I've had a lot of amazing feedback on that ebook, so thank you so much. Whoops, my computer's making noises. There are t-shirts as well off Teespring. That's in, like, below the video somewhere. But that's it. Talk to you guys soon, and I'll see you in the next few videos. Talk to you later. Oh, also, give me a suggestion of what else you guys want to see on this channel, and I'll make it happen. Later.